Good morning. This is Beauty and DC. She's on the corner and he's to the right. He was up there by himself when I first arrived here down in the hole on Aqueduct Street. She just showed up there. Looks like she's been eating. She's feking. When I left Seneca Towers, both Billy and Seth were present. He was in his spot on the north window ledge, and she was up on the roof above him. Must have been a messy meal. She's still feking. And for those that don't know what feking is, that's wiping their beak on the edge of something to clean it off. Get little bits of food stuck on there sometimes.